Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another plan with me. I'm a little bit behind on my plan with me's just because of Vlogtober, so forgive me, but today we are trying to get caught back up and I'm gonna be planning last week. Or not planning, but like back planning. I still have to do my monthly spread. That's next on the agenda. So I'm gonna be like back planning, memories planning, whatever you want to call it, the 14th through the 20th, and I am going to be using this kit from my shop. This is the Hello Fall kit, and I have it bundled like this because it was left over from the Planning a Better Me retreat event, so I was like, cool, I don't have to cut a kit for myself, so I'll just use this. And the next 2 weeks I'm doing like Halloween kits, so I figured this was the perfect time to use this kit. So let's just get started. I'm probably gonna speed up and do a voiceover for this just because I just kind of want to like sit here and chill and plan, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna hop right in. Alright guys, so I'm just jumping in with the bottom washi to cover up these little boxes at the bottom, and I want to know, does anybody actually use those boxes for anything? I feel like most people cover it with washi, but if you use it for something, let me know. I'd love to know what you guys are using it for. And then I'm taking this Hello Fall full box and putting that in the sidebar, and I'm going to put down my glitter headers and my full boxes for Monday through Wednesday. I tried to like line everything up and like get it all perfect, but somehow I failed. It's really hard to get everything even with these new planners, and just like, I don't know, I feel like this was the same kind of situation with the vertical like neutral that they came out with the no headers. It just like, it doesn't line up. It doesn't want to line up correctly. I don't know. I know other people have this problem too, so I know it's not just me, but it is like super frustrating because it's like, this should work. It should work and be fine. But you guys probably can't really tell that the glitter headers are not like all lined up evenly, but that's what I'm talking about. Like stuff just was not lining up evenly with like the full boxes and such. I don't know how to explain it, but I know other people have this issue too. So then I'm going in on Monday. Monday is always payday for me. And actually, now that I'm looking at the spread though, it wasn't payday because it was Columbus Day. So I didn't get paid until Tuesday. Oops. Planning fail right there. Oh well. Then I'm putting down a half box with this film video sticker, and I wanted to note that I was filming a couple videos, and I wrote down which videos I was filming for that day. And then at the bottom, I am putting a 3 heart checklist to mark my like 3 shop related tasks, and also a little grocery cart so we could order our groceries. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm putting down a $2 Tuesday sticker because it's $2 Tuesday. If you guys didn't know, I do that pretty much every week. So definitely check out my Instagram and my shop. And if you guys want stuff for $2, definitely check out stuff on Tuesdays. Then I'm putting down this little box sticker, and that was to mark that HelloFresh was arriving that day. And I also had to make a doctor's appointment. Actually, I had to go to a doctor's appointment that day for my sinuses, so I marked that in my planner with a little half box and a little stethoscope icon. I'm taking this little silhouette portrait machine sticker, and I'm just marking that I want to work on orders. And then at the very bottom, I put a little envelope with the script PO run because I needed to take stuff to the post office. On Wednesday, I had a bill due, which is always so much fun. So I wanted to mark that first thing so I could take care of that. And then I put down my checklist of things that I needed to get done for the day, which mostly just included orders and editing and uploading videos. I also put this little half box to note that I wanted to edit some videos, like other than my Vlogtober video. So the Vlogtober video, that's what I have in the checklist that I need to edit and upload, but this was to mark that I needed to edit other videos besides that. And then I also put this little takeout sticker underneath that just to mark that we were eating out because we kind of fail at being adults and eat out way too much, I feel like. Moving to the back half of the week, I am just putting down all the glitter headers and the full boxes again. I'm trying to line everything up it was a struggle. I think on this side, you can see kind of what I'm talking about a little bit more, where it's like not everything lines up perfectly. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't know. Like, I would think it was just me, except for I've literally seen other people have the same problem. So either something's up with like the headers and like we're just not lining things up correctly, or something's up with like the sticker sizes. I don't know. Like I said, I've seen other people have this issue. So I know it's not just me, but like, see how that one header is like just a little above? It didn't all quite line up the way that it should, which is just bizarre to me. But anyway, oh well, it doesn't really matter that much. So going into Thursday, I just needed to design, edit, and upload. And then I also put a little quarter box to note that my anxiety video was going up that day. And I just want to say thank you for the love on that video. You guys have been so supportive and so sweet. And I really, really appreciate it, because it was really a hard thing to put up on my channel. So thank you guys for allowing me to share my story with you. So at the bottom of the day, I'm putting down this little printer sticker to note that I needed to print some stuff. And I also put down a little scallop label so I could remove $2 Tuesday. Friday, I woke up really, really sick. Like, I couldn't even stand up straight without feeling off balance due to all the congestion in my head. So basically, we just binged watched Parks and Recs all day, and I kind of slept on and off, and it was just, it was basically a sick day. So moving on to Saturday, I tried to put on the weekend banner and it was like all crooked, so had to fix that. But I am using this little acai flat lay from Sweet Bean Plans, and I absolutely love her little stickers, hand-drawn stickers. She does an amazing job, and I love acai bowls, and we went and got one, so that's why I obviously used that sticker. And then we came home, had to work, and I had to edit and upload my vlog, do the laundry, and then we also went to Target. So I'm just putting down a little grocery cart for that. Finally, moving on to Sunday, I had my weekly Sunday Starbucks, and we went to church. I am using this go to church sticker from my shop just because I don't really like my handwriting. So anytime I can put a sticker down that says what I need it to, I try to do that. Then I had another bill due, Fun Times, on Sunday, so I put that and made sure to mark that off. And then at the very bottom, I'm putting down a half box to mark that I had a bubble bath. So I put down the half box, this little bubble bath script sticker, and then little glasses of wine because I didn't have anything that kind of represented like a bath, I don't know. Moving on to the sidebar, I'm just putting down my habit trackers. I have been tracking vitamins and Bible reading, although I've been doing a terrible job at it, so let's not talk about that. And then I am putting down this heart checklist to write down my cleaning checklist. Again, I failed at that. And then at the very bottom, I'm putting this half box down, and I am going to be putting the little planner icon or planner sticker at the bottom and just say plan next week because I didn't know what to put there. So, that's how I roll. And now I'm putting down all the date dots up at the top. And yeah, that pretty much was my week. It was just busy working on stuff. I feel like there wasn't a lot to put in this planner, but I still tried to fill it up for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. And let me know what you think of this spread. And if you have this kit or have picked it up or anything, let me know. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. That way you never miss a video from me. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.